The taller the pole, the bigger the pot. You should never use a tall pole with a small pot. This tie, since it is coated, it will last longer. And as I've said, 4 years, it will remain stable. Your pole will remain very stable. I'm going to show you this one. Okay. Before I use a twister to tie the upper portion of the plant so that it will continue growing upward. But then this time, to have an easier and fast and very convenient for you to remove, we are just using the staple wire, this one, and all you have to do is to tack, just to tack it like that. Just tack it. There you are. No need to tie. All you have to do is to tack it, and then the roots will again develop, and then it will wrap the pole and it will be stable again. And then in the event that in the event that the roots have developed, you can just remove the staple wire and then let the roots hold on to this pole. So that's it, guys. At least I have shared to you some tips on how to prepare especially plant pole that you will be needing from time to time. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you next episode.